in this video, we are to look at CSS comments or cascading style sheet comments. So remember, we are making computing easier here at Palmob's Foundation Elite Schools. I'm still your friend, Ahebwa Martin. This is my email and my phone number. So we are still working with CSS and HTML. So let's continue and see CSS comments. So what are CSS comments? We are saying that many times you may need to put additional comments in your style sheet blocks. So in your style sheet blocks, so it is very easy to comment any part in the style sheet. You can simply put your comments inside like this. This is a comment. So let us see how it is applied. So for example, if I come here and I want to comment out this, I just put there this and I put there my star, and at the same time I close it from here with my star here and this one closing. So like this. So it means that I have commented out this one. So I don't want it to have the effect on my work. So that is it. So that is a comment. You are commenting out, you are neglecting. You want your compiler to leave this one, to leave this line of code in when it is running, the whole of this code. So you want it to be left behind. You are commenting it out. So that is what it means. So we call that one a single line comment. Then we have, you can use this one also to comment multi-line blocks, in similar, in this one, the other one was single. Then if you want multi-line, you can also put there this, there are some dots here, then you come here and close here, then you put some dots here, then with your star and forward slash. It means that now I have commented all these ones out. So I'm remaining with only this one. So let us continue and see multi-line blocks in similar way, multi-line comment as how you are seeing it here. It is here. So let me just copy this for easy explanation, such that we easily get it and simplify all it. So this is it. So you can see here, if you can see it here, now it means that this one will be left out by the compiler. It will not run, and even this one. So this one, we call it single line comment. But now let's say that I wanted to comment more than one line. I just put there my dots here. So if I put there my dots here and I come back here, I put there my dots with a star here and with a star here at the start. Then I copy this, I cut it out and I bring it somewhere like here, like this. Let's say that I have brought it here and I just want to comment out only this. So it means that this one will run, whereas all this one will not work. So that is multi-line comment. So thank you so much for watching.